So hi guys, in this video we will see how to create an S3 bucket, and what is S3 we will see. So we are here on the homepage of AWS services, and what we will do is now we will strictly go away to S3. So in my recent visited there is S3, but we won't go from there. What you should do is search here S3. We will come here on the S3 page. And what we have to do is now, we have to create an S3 bucket. So what is bucket? If we say like you have to store something, then you have to create an S3 bucket. S3 bucket is the storage where you can store any amount of data, but the largest file that you can store is can be of 5 TB, and I will tell you how you can do that. So we will straight away go to create bucket. And now the only and the least thing that is required to create a bucket is a unique name. I will repeat again. The only thing that is required is a unique name to create a bucket. So we will give it a name, unique 1, 2, and we are all set. Done. Nothing else. Now we can create our S3 bucket. But I will tell you a few more things, that you cannot use capital letters in the name. I will show you again. Like you cannot use name. Let me go and create bucket. See, bucket name must not contain uppercase characters. So the bucket name cannot be an IP address. So if I put 168.1.25.2, bucket name must not contain an IP address. And more things like 12 AS D. So anywhere we cannot use the uppercase letter anywhere in the name. So naming convention is very important in the bucket name, and it must be unique. That's all that is required. So for now I will again name it unique 1, 2. Then we have a few properties here. Then the object ownership. So we want the ownership of the object to our account only. So we will keep it as it is. And all the items in the bucket will be private. So block all the private access. And again here, bucket versioning. I will tell you about the bucket versioning, what it is. For now, we will keep it disabled. In add tags, you know why we add tags. And if you do not know why we add tags, that also I have explained in a different video. Encryption type, we will leave it as it is. And okay, all set. Create bucket. Now our bucket is created, and we can upload any object in this. So let me tell you one more thing. In the bucket, like this bucket we have created, in this whatever the files we upload are known as objects, and there is no concept of folder. You might be saying there, see, there is a create folder option. No, in bucket there is no option for folder, or I will say concept of folder, because what you are seeing here is just for us. It is just an illusion of creating a folder, but actually there isn't any folder. And that also I will explain you in the next video, because then this video will be lengthy. Now what we will do is we will quickly upload anything. I will go to desktop and this file here, and okay, upload. So we have uploaded our first file here, and this is our object, an S3 object. So in this video, we have seen how to create an S3 bucket and how to make an object of the S3 bucket. In the next video, we are going to see how to make our bucket public and how to access the object of the bucket. So stay tuned and keep learning.